Richards Bay 2, Orlando Pirates 2. Nginomfoko Mhlanga la. Mhlanga ubone kanjani umdlalo? Uphethe kanjani lo mphumela wanamhlanje?
Ngifuna ukukhuluma nje iqiniso. I just want to be honest about the whole game. Pirates did their all best, but they unfortunately they didn't win. But they managed to score the second goal, of which is very good. I'm very happy. I like football, and I like competition on the soccer. I just want to be honest about football. We need competition on the PSL. We must give all the best on the PSL, and PSL must be a competition. Not one team that is going to win, obviously. Even sometimes, Sundowns was once winning even a league before 4 games on hands. So now we are.
It's competition.
It's competition now. I'm very happy. I'm very happy.
Okay.
So far, I'm very happy for Pirates. It's doing well so far than before. And I like for the fact that it's giving young people a chance to play. Young players. Now we are not going to work with according to experience so far, but we want people who are going to go all out and give the best. That's all I can say.
I agree with you.
Yes.
So according to you, where is the league going?
The league is very tough. It's very tough because it's not guaranteed Guti Sundowns is going to take it, Pirates is going to take it.
Chiefs is going to take it.
Chiefs is not going to take it.
Yes. It's a 2-horse race now.
The race is very too much. You remember what happened to Sundowns when he was playing with the Nedbank Cup?
Yes.
Unfortunately, everyone was very surprised. A small team.
Yes.
So this one is soccer now that you are playing. No one can predict it. No one can be sure about everything that's going to happen.
You can't be sure now.
You can't be sure. And I like the distance between all the teams. The competition is very hard.
It's tight now.
It's tight now.
All the teams are serious.
Everyone must show his talent. That's all I can say.
So now the next game Orlando Pirates is going to play against Amazulu. What do you see there? How will their confidence be?
Amazulu is a very strong team. And Pirates is also a strong team, but they must prepare themselves. Because Amazulu is not stronger than Pirates, but they are going to be prepared for the strong ones. You know, when you build the house, you know the storm is coming. We are going to build a strong foundation. So the only thing that I can say, Pirates must know what they are going to expect from that side.
It's a tough game.
It's a tough game. Amazulu is a very strong team. But if they're going to play with another team that is going to say, no, we're going to play with Orbit. Let's say, I'm just making an example. With Orbit, they're not going to build a strong foundation. They're going to put only cement and the sand, no concrete, because they're expecting what they must get a win from them. But now they're going to know what they're expecting. Remember, Pirates was doing very well for the last 2 games, and I was very happy. They were shining, and they know what they are expecting. So Amazulu is going to prepare themselves very well.
So do you think Sundowns is still going to drop points?
Somewhere is going to drop. I don't want to lie.
7 games to go.
7 games is very long. They are too long. It's a long run. And when you check the space in between, it's a long run. Sundowns is going to drop somewhere.
They still have Amakosi to face.
They still have Amakosi to face. And Amakosi is not going to allow a lose. They're going to fight for their best. And the Pirates is still going to come to us. We are still going to fight for our best. Remember, us, we have a lot of challenge in Kaizer Chiefs Village. We want to improve ourselves.
I know.
So these people, when they come to us in this last minute, guarantee is going to be tough. they are not going to get what they always expect from us.
I agree, fully agree with you.
And also Amazulu, Richards Bay, even the small teams, they are fighting for their relegation at the back.
Yes.
So you must expect them to fight with all out.
Yeah.
So you can't go say the team is number 14, this one is the obvious game. It's not the obvious game.
Yes.
They are fighting for their own relegation down there.
Yeah.
So you must be prepared. The league is very tough now.
Very tough.
It's very tough.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No, before you go, my brother, I appreciate you. I appreciate your analysis, your football knowledge, and your football understanding. Thank you very much, Mhlanga.
Danko, Bafana.
Danko.